Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unable to load video in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to load or you try to play a video, you see an error that you're unable to load that video. So let's see some possible fixes about that. So the very first thing is that you have to try to update your software. So go back from here, open your settings app, go for general, go for software updates, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find any pending software update here, try to updating your software. After updating software, go back from here, tap on your Apple ID here, and then select the iCloud option here, then select photos, and here you have to enable this toggle until that sync this device. Once you have enabled this toggle, your photos will be automatically updated to your iCloud. And after that, you have to simply go back from here, then open the settings app again, go for apps section, look for your photos app here, and you just have to enable your cellular data for your photos app. So very first, you just look for this option. Here you just have to select keep originals, and once you have done, you just have to go back from here and you have to enable the iCloud photos option. And after that, completely go back and you have to make a force restart your iPhone. Not to do that, you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have to open your Photos app here, and then select the photo or video in which you're having issue. For example, I'm going to select this one. Just keep a long press on it, then select the share option, and you have to select any other app instead of your Photos app. So in my case, I'm going to look for an app in my phone. And here once you find a video editor app or any video player, so you have to share your video to that app. For example, I'm going to select CapCut from here and then select import. And once you have done, you will be able to use or play your video in your second app. So in this way, you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.